is an apple. Apple starts with A. A for apple. Hello children, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Today we will study on alphabet A. This is an apple. Apple starts with A. A for apple. So children, let's start with the first question, that is trace the letter A. We have to trace the letter A. Let's start with the dotted line like this, slowly and very slowly. This is A. Like this. A for apple. A for aeroplane. So children, next question is of circle the letter A. So we have to circle on letter A. So let's start. In this line, where is A? Yes, here it is. So circle it. In the next B and C. The next letter is A. So we will circle on A. In this section, here it is B, this is C and this is A. And in the last third line, we will check D, A. We got one A, C and then also we got another A. So children, the next question is find and color A. So we have to find A and then color on it. So let's start with me. Here we will check where is A. Yes, this is A. Color it. Another one. This is also A. So we will color on A. Next. Here it is also A for apple. A for alligator. Here we will check another A. A for ant. Color it. A for aeroplane. In the next section, okay, we got all the A. Our next question is match the following. So we have to match the letter A with the given pictures. So let's start. This is A and this is an apple. So we will match A for apple. This is an ant. Ant starts with A. So here we will match with this. This is a picture of aeroplane. Aeroplane starts with A. Okay children, let's come to the next question, that is fill the missing. So you have to fill the missing letter A in the following. This is apple. Apple starts with A. This is cat. C-A-T. Cat. This is ant. A and T. Ant. Okay, the next question here. Write the first letter. So you have to write the first letter by recognizing the picture. This is an apple, as you all know. So apple starts with A. Next, find out what is the picture of this. This is a picture of ant. Ant starts with A. Next, this is a picture of an alligator. An alligator starts with A.